got sandık.
This is sandık national of Kazakh.
Attribute of Kazakh. Okay, well done. Sit down. And this sandık is keep any secret. Let's solve the secret, please. I ask you come to me and choose one leaf from this sandık. Please come to me quickly. Each group, one student.
Limestone and water.
Okay.
Calcium gluconate matches.
Okay. Please.
Potassium permanganate and glycerin.
Okay. Okay, guys, you have any tools and reagents in your group. You may discuss what do you do in these tools. Please discuss in your group what will you do in these tools and reagents. What reaction is happening with these reagents? Okay guys, if you are ready, let's start our demonstration. Which group is ready? Okay, first group. Let's demonstrate your action.
Line quenching is the reaction of calcium oxide with water.
Description of the reaction. In a porcelain cup, quicklime prepared in advanced by calcining chalk was placed using a pipette and drops of water. The formula of this reaction.
Okay, thank you for first group. And next group, please demonstrate your action. Second group.
The essence of the whole chemical experiment is to establish of calcium gluconate on dry fuel or any other way. At home, you can use a gas stove. As a result of the reaction, calcium gluconate breaks is down into carbon, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, and water when heated. The porous sculpture of the snake is provided by abundant release of carbon dioxide.
From undoubled brown snakes are obtained in the size of about 10 and 50 centimeters of gray color due to calcium oxide, white and ash, carbon, black or gray. From the organic part and of the original salt. These appearance early show instability of calcium carbonate to heat.
Okay. Okay, let's demonstrate our reaction. you will see the tablet is growing, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. This is a reaction of boron calcium gluconate, yes? Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, last group. Please demonstration your reaction.
As a first, we are going to make experiment with glycerol and potassium permanganate. In order to begin our experiment, we need to know the precautionary measures. So, бірінші техникалық ереже бұл өте қауіпті реакция болып саналады. Сондықтан да біздің терімізді және киімдеріміз өте сақ жағдайда болу керек. The first, we need to take this and add permanganate. And we need to add glycerol in just a drop of this glycerol. And this experiment was named Shell Volcano because, as you know, the fire was so high, so it's called just a volcano.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay, guys, to conclude our lesson, let's play games true and false questions. Please come to me, each group, one student, quickly. Okay, we know the rules. It's games. Yes. Yes. I ask you a question. You give the answer. First question. The metallurgical plants produce poor iron with iron ore processing. False. Okay, step by forward. Second question. Casting iron with carbon and small other advices.
True.
True. Okay, you're right. Next question. Cast iron is formed by oxidation of iron oxides with carbon oxides and coke.
True.
Okay. Step. Next question. Cast iron is a stretch at the end.
False.
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 Okay, you are right. Next question. Steel casting iron with carbon and small other advices.
True.
Okay, you are right. Next question. There are most common types of cast on iron.
True.
Okay. Next question. Steel preparation from cast iron is the removal of most of the carbon and other harmful inputs, sulfur and phosphorus in it.
True.
Okay. Thank you. You write all questions. Please sit down in your place.